Here's a quick look at the oil funnel filler. Made from billet aluminium and anodized in orange or blue. Includes the O-ring. Let's take a look at the installation. Loosen your oil cap. Take the oil funnel filler, line it up and gently screw it in, but don't force it. Grab your T-bar and loosen the oil check bolt. Pour in your oil and wait for it to seep out the oil check bolt. Once it does, tighten it up. Check your manual for your torque settings. Remove the oil funnel filler. Hand tighten your oil cap. Take a pair of pliers and gently nip tighten. Your installation is done.